Tired of your bed looking plain but don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on a fancy headboard? Let me show you how to create stylish, budget-friendly headboards that transform your bedroom instantly. In this video, we'll explore simple and creative headboard ideas that look expensive but cost very little. Whether you rent, live in a small space, or just want to save money, these hacks will give your room a high-end look without breaking the bank. A headboard is the panel or design element placed behind your bed to provide comfort, style, and a finished look. The good news is, you don't need a pricey furniture store piece. DIY options can be just as stunning. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. First, measure the width of your bed to know exactly how big your headboard should be. Second, choose your material, plywood, fabric, peel and stick wallpaper, or even old doors. Third, prepare your base by cutting or assembling the frame. Fourth, add padding and fabric for a soft upholstered look, or simply paint and seal wood for a rustic design. Fifth, attach your headboard to the wall with brackets or secure it directly to your bed frame. Tools you will need. You'll need a measuring tape, scissors or a utility knife, staple gun for fabric, sandpaper for wood, screws or mounting brackets, and a screwdriver or drill. These are affordable, easy-to-find tools. Quick tips: use leftover fabric or curtains to save even more money. Try peel and stick wallpaper on plywood for a modern, patterned headboard. For renters, go for lightweight, wall-mounted panels that won't damage walls. Cost comparison: a store-bought upholstered headboard usually costs between $150 to $400. With DIY methods, you can create one for as little as $30 to $60 depending on the materials you choose. Measure gives select material gives build or cut frame gives add fabric or finish gives mount or attach securely. Notes: always choose durable fabric if upholstering, and make sure edges are smooth to avoid snags. When mounting to the wall, check for studs to ensure stability. Creating a budget-friendly headboard is all about creativity and resourcefulness. With just a little effort, you can design something unique, stylish, and affordable that completely changes the look of your bedroom. If you found these ideas helpful, hit like, subscribe for more budget-friendly home hacks, and share this video with a friend who loves DIY projects.